Oh, oh, oh god.
Hey.
Ah! Ow!
Should I just respawn?
No, you're good. I just speared its penis.
Oh shit,
It's dead. What?
the E key is pretty sensitive. I don't want, but they look so gross.
What is she
when they
throwing a punch at for?
maybe a rabbit,
She was sitting by the water.
maybe a fish.
He's on a right hook of fish.
Yes.
We now have a spike ball of death.
Yeah.
My favorite part of this camp.
My favorite part, not the cabin, not the fire, not the fresh drinking water, the fucking morning star of God.
I need to make a club.
Somebody just triggered, something triggered the morning star of God.
Yeah. I'm seeing it. Oh,
Was that a deer?
yeah, two.
Two? Oh, perfect. Two for the price of one.
An unintended but welcome side effect of the trap. And we can just reset it too. Ah! Hey, Liam. Hey, Liam. What was that scream?
Another deer.
That was a deer? Oh. God's
that a
morning
person?
star claims another.
Oh, look, a suitcase. A C4. And a grenade. Thanks, God.
God
two more
gave
flares.
us his morning star, but also his bombs. Oh, she's sitting by the fireplace.
Aww.
Killer.
Isn't that not? No, wait.
If I don't do this, it's just gonna bother me, and I'm just gonna keep complaining about it. So, I might as well.
Okay. You are God's strongest autist. Calvin the goat just picking me up logs.
Calvin the goat is what I named my goat.
God, up, do not start with that crap. You were doing so good. God's morning star got, you know, used on a deer.
As God intended.
Oh, it's a little squirrel and a rabbit.
God's morning star is brutal.
It is indiscriminate in its violence.
Yeah, like, if you're a deer, die. If you're a human, die. If you're
Die.
a squirrel, die.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god.
Yeah, Kelvin, we see it. We see it.
He just stood at point. Ah, he's attacking Kelvin.
No, back to God's
Kelvin to
morning
God's
star.
morning star. Why are they
Come
just
on.
walking?
Actually, you know what? Eat
I need
arrow.
to take some medicine.
Oh. A fucking deer just triggered God's morning star.
God damn it. God, oh, dude. He ran around God's morning star.
It's smart.
Just pelt it with arrows. What's it gonna do? If we keep stun locking it. Oh my god! Wait,
Oh.
wait, before you take any, Just, I wanna, no, stand in front of it, like...
Posing with the
Like, ow, oh lord, ow.
what owl?
God's morning star is
Oh my
indiscriminate.
Oh Jesus! Oh Christ!
What?
Alex, there's a lot of them.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you think I mean? Huh? What else could I mean?
Christ.
Oh Jesus! He's on fire!
Aim for the stomach! Aim for the stomach!
Aim for the kid.
I got
Jesus.
demolished. Oh,
Shit.
Jesus
Okay,
Christ.
Virginia. Okay. Yeah,
shit.
bring out the gat. She's appeared to have some adverse side effects.
Yeah. like she can shoot.
Yeah, yeah, that's the adverse side effect.
Yeah. I will talk with God for my sins. I will take one lashing of the morning, sir.
One lashing of the morning, sir. You have died. You cannot respawn.
Yeah. You see, I'm just gonna connect my side to like the river.
To the river. Oh, why? You can just connect it to mine.
No, I need the other side.
Oh.
You fucking monkey.
I was thinking, why are you gonna go and do that? Did he fill the stick collectors?
He did. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, Virginia.
You know, it's nice not being harassed by my naked people.
Your naked people.
What do you mean, your naked people?
I heard you say it's nice not being harassed by my naked people.
No, just by naked people.
By my naked people.
Choke point it is.
Fucking
Jesus.
Virginia's roundhouse kicked a fucking squirrel.
Yeah, and she's so happy about it too. What the fuck? It's like a baby. It's attacking
Oh!
Calvin. What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Oh, Jesus. Ow. Die.
Yeah.
Die, child. I would not persecute a man who's
Wanted
being
to
attacked
survive?
by this shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, this shit's terrifying.
Yeah.
You
Like, what
had
else are we
every
supposed
right-
to do? Let them, like, kill us?
No.
Like,
You
fuck.
had every right to slaughter that small child.
Or that one might be a little hard to prove, but
Yeah, that annoys me
Like-
a little bit.
it says there's a hot bar, but like,
I think we're just too stupid to figure it out. But granted, the game is also not intuitive in that way.
it's still in beta. We've done it.
Oh, hey there.
We've done
How's
it.
it?
Oh my god, look at this place.
It's beautiful.
It doesn't look right because there's just a portion missing. Like, from over there.
But that's a-okay because those fuckers can't swim.
Sure.
Quit fucking cunt punting these rabbits, Virginia.
What?
I don't know at this point.
So go in your inventory,
Yep.
hover over, say, the spear.
Yep.
You see the empty box that's there?
Oh.
Press 1.
Okay.
We're dumb.
Yeah.
Like,
Granted, we would not know that.
no.
I don't
Who
think
would know
anybody would,
this?
but
Who would know this? I think that's copywritten.
I hope not.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
save.
have one now.
Okay, I saved. See if we can.
He's
Can't
still
pick up.
looking for a
That's
turtle.
the flesh hut. Oh, yeah, it's more than just a
Flesh?
flesh hut.
White flesh hut, where?
Just careful, Liam.
Oh, and there's a...
Let's just go around.
I
Run.
kind of want to go
Run.
through.
That was a howl.
I just heard the wind.
No, there was a howl.
Oh, look, there's a dude over there. Maybe they're... fans?
Fans?
Fans of, yeah, floaties. This guy's seen better days.
Yeah.
As has this one. Oh, look, an ore.
Yeah.
To go with the floaty. Oh. Oh, Jesus! Oh, fuck! Die, sinners! You were
I'm
not made
gonna
in
die.
God's image.
I'm gonna die.
No, you won't. They're dead.
Liam?
Oh, Jesus! You were not made in God's image.
Okay, it's a good thing I had
Fucking hell.
armor.
Wait, we can chop him up?
Liam! Liam! Liam!
Oh! Oh!
What is this?
Oh, he hits like a fucking truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to heal.
Oh.
Oh, there's a shark!
There's a shark in here?
Come down here. The gray white that's right fucking there. Like,
Wait. Am I missing something?
Do you not see that in the water?
Hold up.
Are you blind?
Oh, Brucey.
You're so blind.
I thought it was like dead or hanging up somewhere.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
Jesus! Oh, fuck. Right
What?
as you came back, the hand of God just wiped out a mutant raiding party. What
Oh?
the hell?
I missed
Yeah.
it. Holy shit.
Die, meat man.
Me at the butcher.
No, we don't kill the meat
Die,
man.
meat man.
Because if it's not,
God, the sun is so fucking bright.
sun is so
Well,
bright. in the
there's
dark.
so much bloom. God is shining down upon me. Like, Liam, look in this direction.
We are,
Like,
we are God's favored son.
come to me and just stare over here.
Oh, I can see it. It's beautiful.
God is gracing us with his light. I might as well put on my flash.
Fucking log here.
Me, after I chopped down a tree.
Shut up. Why is there now a door here? Oh,
What? Oh.
she like waved at me and laughed, and I beheaded her.
As you should. Why am I wet? From what?
Sorry, Alex. You fell asleep first.
Oh God, did you piss on me?
No, it's over here. I saw it.
Is it your imagination?
No, I legitimately saw it.
I think you're seeing things. Ah! Ah!
Yeah, I'm seeing things, right, Alex? I'm seeing things, right, Alex?
Me.
No, they're just hellspawn. What do you mean, ah?
Don't worry about it. Just keep walking forward.
Yeah, no, I'm good, thanks.
So what was the last one? Ah!
Oh, fucking Christ.
Ah, shit.
Oh, okay.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. Oh, it's dark.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. Okay, we're good.
We're just gonna take him standing up.
Yeah. Hey. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa,
sorry,
whoa.
sorry. I didn't mean it like that.
Buy me dinner first.
Dinner. I got a few legs here if you want them.
Oh, fuck yeah. There's cum everywhere and there's twins.
For like a pistol. Yeah, there's also the fingers. Molly.
You have to light it.
Fuck.
You just hit it with a bottle.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
like
it
that.
came. It came when you hit it. Oh, no.
Oh, Jesus!
What?
Oh, fuck. The fat thing, the slug. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck me, man. Grenade and C4. Do you want to blow this fucker up?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Sure. Back up.
Oh, shit. Who's, like, dying behind me?
Me.
Why?
I'm drinking water.
You have to hit it with
No,
your
you can do it
axe.
with the shovel. It just takes a while.
Well, I just did one swing at the axe.
I'm committed. There we go. Oh,
Set ammo
it
to
is a
slug
shoddy.
ammo.
It is actually the shoddy.
Holy
We were joking,
shit,
but it is.
okay.
Ammo to buckshot. Alright, let's go.
I have
for
no
guard.
shotgun shells.
so what do we do now? Well, game
Wait,
done.
Oh yeah, no, I'm plenty well
You
prepared.
know, I have my
have
nuke. Like-
just all of a sudden, like, no, the cave just reminds you.
No. Megavania says nuke be gone.
Mega-rabies.
The Megalovania says the nuke is not strong enough.
Megalovania. Ah, yes, the well-known arch enemy, Megalovania.
The well-known dinosaur.
Yeah, that's right. You know, point it at them, see if they do anything. Okay, well,
Oh, he's dead.
you just gatted him.
I will skin you for your skin.
Almost- Wow.
Listen. I'm tired.
Wow. Goodbye.
Oh,
Did you shoddy him?
god damn, Liam.
I'm taking his head. Oh no, I can't take his head.
No, you deleted his head, Liam.
What'd
You
you
guys-
uncover?
Oh, there's a hatch.
A hat.
Hatch, you fucking dumb
Oh.
bitch.
Don't.
Oh, oh, it's a Roomba. I thought it was a landmine.
Don't waste bullets.
No, I hit it with my axe.
I shot the
That-
Roomba.
oh, I hit it with my axe.
Don't shoot the Roomba.
Don't you?
A PSA.
There's
don't
children in here. Wait, guys. How do I
Yes.
look?
Oh, you look snazzy.
You also look snazzy.
Oh, thank you.
Can we get anything for you, sir?
Yes.
Can we get anything for you, good sir?
Anything for you?
Unzips pants.
The cuts off.
Hey.
What?
No.
You know what?
I just hear someone put a fucking slug into something.
Don't worry.
No.
Don't worry about it.
What do you? Why is the baby's corpse all the way over here? What are you fucking
Okay,
up to?
let's sleep. Alright, EP time.
Sleepy.
Okay, put down. Oh, just restarted the animation.
You're really interested in that book, huh?
I am. Shut up.
Not the fingers.
So you
Squid
need a
Game.
different key card. You need a different.
my
key
God,
card
it's
to
It's
this
Squid Game.
door.
Oh, this is Squid Game room.
Oh god, god damn it, Alex! Chill.
Alex,
oh, I'm
calm
in a
down.
cutscene. I got locked into a cutscene.
Oh, don't spoil it.
No, I won't. The Squid Game room ain't looking too good. Wait.
Alex, where's the cutscene?
Do you not see it?
No, it's because I'm pretty sure it's because you opened the door.
Oh.
Oh Jesus!
You don't see
Christ.
this? You don't see this?
I hear
Oh,
sounds.
I see
Survivors
them.
got pulled into the water. Oh, wait, these are the Puffingtons. Hank, we have wasted another full afternoon and still have been unable to find any trace of the balls. This is entirely unacceptable. Additionally, not getting a response to any of these emails is extremely unprofessional. Neither myself nor my brother are happy with how we are being treated. Miles Goldstein. So we just have to.
Oh my god, Alex.
Hey, then look at Leo.
He is just a meat man.
Plus a tech in a my leg.
Yeah. You're more
If you
meat.
excuse me. Ah, fuck. I'm headed to the camp. I'm wandering into the wilderness.
Yes, we heard it that time.
Did you hear
Thank
it?
you. Yes, yes,
Okay.
we did. Thank you very much.
Yeah. No.
I just heard something.
No.
That what do you mean, no?
No. There's so much chaos so fast. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
It's
That's
just
just-
water. I love being covered in flesh. It makes me feel like I'm in the womb.
Don't say that.
Don't worry, I'll edit it out.
Don't.
I'll edit it out.
You can't edit it out of my memory though. And I think
If I
that's
hit you in the head
problem.
hard enough, then. Liam, your pot's rolling down a hill.
What? God damn it!
It's right here.
Oh, fingers. Oh, and it came.
All over me.
Literally.
That's not the first time, nor will it be the last.
Stop. Why can't we find?
Hey,
like,
stand-up
actual-
comedy. Oh, sit-down comedy. After searching the entire facility, despite having much more important tasks to be focused on, we've managed to locate the golf clubs. Unfortunately, the balls still elude us. This guy's got an eggs and pan.
Oh yeah, alright.
What the fuck?
So you remember like the
The cultists.
yeah But I thought they did like ritual suicide, but maybe not.
I'm sorry, what Abe? Huh?
Youth
They
agent.
found the fountain of youth.
The fuck? How is this gonna convince me to stay here? This cult ass shit.
No, the barrel's not explosive.
Sorry.
Yeah, harder. No. Splunking we will go.
No.
Splunking.
No, stop.
What?
Don't say splunking.
Why?
It sounds like a thing you'd find in Urban Dictionary.
Why is Virginia with us? Moose!
Wait, moose? Hold up. Bang.
Did you actually?
Yeah, he's gone.
Oh, fuck. What are we gonna do with the body?
Oh, what do you think?
I
It's what we
can't.
do
It
with
gave
everybody.
me deer hide, and I can't. Liam.
Oh, fun.
RP pushes you.
Oh, sorry.
That was my second time saying that. Liam.
Yo.
Night vision goggles. They are shit.
Well, you want to try that?
They
one
are
more
so
time?
shit. No. I don't want to try it again.
And he's following you. We wouldn't have this game.
What is that? That's new.
Where are you? Power of Christ compels you. Okay, yeah, power of Christ
Wait.
compels them.
What?
It does have eyes. They're just like milky white. Ugh.
I say, burn by the might of the Lord.
Literally.
There's a long ass rope.
It is. I've run out of stamina.
My ass would not be able to do this. I tell you what. Oh, there's more. Where?
No, I'm not telling.
Where? Where?
I'm not. Oh, well, he's gonna go find them. Bang.
Found her.
Look at that. Tubbies.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God.
He just
He
flopped.
took
on
that
you.
arrow like a fucking.
Did you see how he flopped on you?
Oh, yeah.
That was beautiful.
All right, where to get?
They're tanky.
Liam! I saved you.
He got that funky groove. Wow.
You got that? No, it's you got that funky groove. You have to say it properly.
No,
Hey!
you should though.
No, I would have Alvin
Yes.
like humping like fucking whoever his name is leg.
What?
You know Alvin the Chipmunk?
Yeah.
Dave! Dave! But it'll only be his leg, so you can't tell it's Dave.
Seek help.
Is this? What?
What?
Do you not see the floating deer corpse? Where'd it go?
Game.
There's a deer on our lookout tower.
He's chilling.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I do.
You lied to me.
I did blatantly. Kept on getting injured, but I don't know
By
where
what?
from. I don't know. My man was just yelling.
See, going schizo is like Barnacle Boy, but
Stop, please. Don't say it's like Barnacle Boy.
I'm going insane no longer in this forest.
Posts. I didn't realize you could actually make
Yeah.
a fence with it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
A for effort, Alex. I'm sitting here from the other side of the the pond. And I'm watching that. I mean,
I give up.
can you just like walk around?
I give up.
Is that too much for you? There we go. There we go.
It is too much for me.
Okay. Good lord. Okay, Gabe. His autism finally switched off.
Just
He can
because
go
I do
now.
things differently.
Yeah, differently. Yeah, you're just different. Don't worry, Alex.
At least humor me, guys. Like,
No, no. You done plenty of that yourself.
I was talking to my dad, but it did coincide with that.
okay, fuck you guys.
I'm more wondering how many squirrels did she, you
It's gonna
know?
be a trail of squirrels.
Girls gotta eat somehow.
Yeah. Girl dinner.
Shut the fuck up.
You can't use my best judgment. I accidentally ate a random mushroom off the ground.
Damn.
Don't do that.
Roads were meant to be broken.
Road rules.
Roads, my dear friend. Is rope too tight? Let me know if rope too tight. That's right, my friend. That's right.
Ignore sound the child is making. It is all normal. It is okay. Go, go, go. Oh, fuck.
It worked!
It
It
works.
worked! My friend! Crafting, my friends. And we're stuck. He also didn't tip.
Oh, oh, God.
Okay, okay, do a barrel roll, I guess. Alex, do you actually know where you're going?
Yes, I do. I genuinely do.
Okay, good.
I'm not just driving around like a lunatic creating lore. Not as shaky as your father last night. God.
There we go.
I'm stuck.
Skyrim horses have nothing on me. Take two.
There's water. Oh, this goes down for a fucking while. Oh, it's still going. Alright, there we go.
Woohoo.
Huh?
And come.
Come? Okay, I'm coming back for come.
The fingers like to come over the walls, and I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. RP pushes you.
Oh, I'm
RP
not going
grabs
into
you.
the. I'm not going into Davy Jones' butthole. Fuck that.
Hey,
Let's check this way out first before we dive into the abyss.
into Davy
Davy
Jones'
Jones'
butthole. as you-
butthole. Into his colon.
No.
This goes very, very deep, actually.
Oh,
Going down, down, down.
Gabe isn't here yet, Alex. Come back.
That's fine. I'm
Come
not moving
back.
from here.
What if we all burn to death violently?
That's out of character.
What if this whole cave goes up in flames because it all ignites?
What if there's like a single little thing of methane?
Think of the
And then we
explosion, Alex.
It'd be
Like,
fucking insane. Funky. I'm glad these are all terrain golf carts. You know,
Air, land, and sea.
air temporarily. God damn it. I don't have a
Moose,
dashboard.
Jesus.
Oh,
oh my God, Moose.
oh God. I don't like this. We go up before we go down. We go up before we go down. I'm
Alrighty.
gonna. We can't go up. Oh, yeah, we can. No, we can. Guys, there's. Before I open this, you hear that, right?
Yeah.
Gabe?
Oh, I think I know what this is. Gabe, come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, wait, wait, wait. Let me pull out my cross first.
Let's go.
Oh, it's a cutscene.
Woohoo.
So you just teleported. Oh, God. Liam, we're not in there yet. We're going through a cutscene.
Oh God.
Oh, we're actually babies left and right. Why are we... Oh, Jesus Christ. Who are these people?
I know. What happened to you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
I got bored by the baby from Resi Village. It would have taken at least a couple swings to kill her.
Oh yeah, a couple swings.
Might as well quicken. Ah!
Christ
The
compels you.
power of Christ compels you. The power of
Burn.
Christ compels you. Burn,
Stay
demon,
away.
burn. Oh, it's Squid Game.
Oh.
Oh. This is live footage? The power of Christ. He just goes up in flames like, like oh my god.
Gold mask.
Oh my god.
I haven't watched it yet. Don't spoil. Oh, that's an orca. What fucked up an orca? Okay. Priest
They're
guy.
killing them? Oh, I'm not gonna say anything. I am like a child with a gun. I am like the most dangerous thing in this forest.
That's the problem.
Didn't
Oh!
kill it.
So it did.
100% chance of death.
This is actually a bunker.
Oh,
You
that's-
may or may not need a divine act of God to save you there.
I'm waiting outside for you guys, but
Gabe's gonna need a divine act of God to save him if he keeps on trying to fell a tree onto me.
let's
Okay.
I'll do it.
This looks like the thing at the end
Oh, you
of the
put on-
first game.
You put on the gold armor.
Oh shit. Oh shit. So there is lava. We're
What
fucking
the
deep. Holy shit.
Ah.
We're not at the end of the game, are we?
Extra, like you roll a d6. or
They
whatever
can
and
walk
on a
through
four.
lava.
Oh.
Oh,
on a
they're
four.
fast.
Back demon. Ow. Back
They
demon.
take a lot of hits.
So it's just safer to use the cross.
Ah, ah, ah.
Why did I? Because, Alex, they looked different.
Okay. You know what? That's
They
valid.
look-
That is valid.
They looked different, and you know what? I thought it wouldn't work.
That's very valid. I didn't think it would either.
Awesome.
So I thought demons. Yeah, you're going to the psych ward.
I literally have this tattoo that says "Fight Demons" on my wrists, and I actually did it.
Look how this guy's actually shooting, and we're just with our crosses.
Burn.
Yeah, we
You
figured
see-
it out.
We each found a different way to survive on this island.
Yeah.
He's chosen gun. We've chosen God.
I think he's lost it.
Okay.
Maybe we just leave him.
Well, if it's in the lava,
That was the...
Oh, he's done.
Oh,
I see
oh,
what
no,
you're
he's
shooting
not
at.
done.
I see what you're shooting at.
Back, demon!
Straight
there's
up.
music.
Straight up. Wait, Timmy's evolved. Nice.
Right? No, because he always at the end of the first game, his arms were like getting fucked or whatever.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh.
guys.
No.
Guys. Oh,
Ow.
Jesus Christ. He's. Dead? Oh, he ain't dead. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. What'd you get from it?
5 creepy armor. Oh wow.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is all 3 of us to enter. So, you want to enter Sandman, huh?
Oh,
I'm sorry. I have to make a Metallica joke if we're fighting demons. Complete story with all friendly NPCs still alive.
the cube.
They can die?
Yeah, you can kill them.
Oh. Oh, are you guys in a cutscene?
Yeah.
All right, good. Oh,
Virginia, Kelvin, and white guy. White guy is
yeah,
gone.
fuck white guy.
Yeah.
He doesn't deserve to be in here. So,
What's this, Timmy? 13. Oh.
oh, is it because he's a mutant, technically?
Oh.
Or what
I-
the fuck is...
Kind.
Oh, it's happening to us too. What? Okay. Oh, huh?
Huh?
Those are like cultist souls?
Yeah.
What the fuck is this game? And Timmy's arm is fucked.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's the like cat dog thing. Oh, it's because we're wearing the gold suit.
I'm not. I never got that.
Well, technically in this ending.
I know.
Wait, he's gone.
Oh, he's not gone.
Oh, no, he's not. Oh, that's the cultist. Or no, that's the guy in the white.
That's the guy in white.
Oh, shit. Oh?
And something happened to her.
I think
She-
she's
Oh.
a mutant.
Yeah, she's like technically a mutant.
I hope she's not dead.
I hope I don't run out of
Damn.
storage so my recording doesn't get corrupted.
Oh, what the fuck? The ground is oh, Jesus.
Okay. Oh my
Timmy,
god.
no.
Oh. Timmy's dead. Oh, the lips!
Babies.
Oh god.
Oh? Timmy's...
Oh, not dead?
Timmy go ham?
He's Huge Hands Hans. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Boss fight.
I'm stuck.
Oh, oh.
Guys, if there's any time to pull out the Magnum.
Oh. Ow, yeah. Ow, fucker. No longer.
Oh, our golf carts.
Oh, yeah. Quit coming
Oh my
after
God.
me, you rat bastard. Yeah, go for Alex.
Okay.
Oh, hey, turtle.
Now there's a turtle? Oh, it's dead.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's dead.
It.
Yeah, my bad.
It's not a he anymore.
And I still have my fucking rebreather on.
Yeah, same.
I know. I don't want to imagine the whole time our characters have been on this island, it's been through the muffled of the
Oh.
rebreather.
His dad's
Oh.
alive.
Oh, wait, guys. Guys behind.
Our shit. Wait,
Stay on the island. Oh, shit.
No,
Oh,
I
no.
wanted to leave. I wanted to leave. No, take me with you. Take
No,
me
no,
with
no,
you.
No.
No.
God damn it.
Alex, why did you say so?
So now,
Alex, your fucking ADHD brain, fuck this.
I'm sorry. I saw a shiny yellow exclamation mark.
What do we do
Oh,
now?
The game's in the gold armor too.